Welcome to SpotGamma's Equity Hub. Within Equity Hub, you can access charts, graphs, and tables that contain proprietary buy and sell indicators for more than 3,500 U.S. stocks and indices. Here at SpotGamma, our team has developed its own models, which take in millions of data points every day and then display our analysis across charts, graphs, and tables. Our goal is to break down these incredibly large datasets into digestible tools for you to use when making trading decisions. Now let's take a couple of minutes so you can get the most out of Equity Hub. How do you actually read and interpret the data? On the left side of the stock screener, we can see the stock symbol, current price, previous closing price, volume, 52-week high, 52-week low for each name. If a stock's current price is trading lower than the previous closing price, the price will be shown in red, and if the stock's current price is trading higher than the previous closing price, then it will be shown in green. These fields will always be on the left, regardless of scanner selection. Next, you can see there are 4 sections. The first grouping is SpotGamma Key Daily Levels. All of these levels are important and include SpotGamma insights, which are not available anywhere else in the financial space. Additionally, in this section, you will see expiration data based on industry standard calculations that can complement SpotGamma's levels as part of your trading strategy. As we scroll to the right, you'll see directional indicators. These directional indicators help you see where options dealers are positioned and how you can take advantage of trading opportunities. For definitions and information on further trading implications, please be sure to use the green support button in the bottom right of your screen for quick access to all terms inside the SpotGamma knowledge base. Next, the volatility indicators help frame when the markets can rip upwards, crash downwards, or simply stay within a range. Knowing the underlying risk for each stock helps you manage your trading decisions, and volatility indicators can unveil where the true risk lies for each name. Lastly, we have the dark pool indicators. You can see the DPI color scale to quickly monitor names with the highest DPI percentage in darker green, indicating the most bullish results, and the lowest DPI percentage in darker red, indicating the most bearish. After choosing a specific stock or index, the primary interface updates to display expandable charts and graphs to visualize the data embedded in the stock screener. You have the ability to toggle charts full screen, closing the watch list sidebar on the right, and closing the stock screener drawer on the bottom for greater visibility. First is the Composite View tab. This view displays how fast Gamma is changing in general. The quicker this change is happening, the higher the reading will be on the y-axis, which is the SG momentum indicator. The higher the SG momentum indicator, the more volatility we expect in the name. The second piece that's important here are the colors. In terms of the red and green areas, the green area represents when calls are driving the stock, and the red area represents where puts are in control of the stock. If you want to see if the options volume is significant for a particular stock, you will note this by seeing a darker shaded color. Additionally, the graph is outlined with a thin blue line. Darker blue in color means there was a large amount of options activity that happened yesterday. On the other hand, you'll often see stocks that hold a large options position, but they aren't actively traded, and for these stocks, you will see a faint blue line. In the next tab, you can choose to see both the put and call impact broken out separately, showing the rate change of Gamma in these curves. Essentially, what this is telling you is how quickly Gamma hedges change based on price. The more steep or vertical this line is, the faster Gamma is changing, which tells us that we should expect more volatility at these prices until the curve starts to flatten out again. Overlaid on these curves are 2 sets of bar charts, which show Gamma by strike for calls in orange and Gamma by strike for puts in blue for all expirations. The smaller subset of bars inside show Gamma for the next expiration only. This can show us exactly which strikes have big expirations relative to how fast Gamma is changing. For traders who want to just see the current price against our key levels, we show a live feed on the Live Price and SG Levels tab. In addition to the live price updates and key levels, the Gamma bars featured in the put and call impact are also plotted so you can see where the biggest Gamma strikes are, with calls in orange and puts in blue. The next tab is our updated daily skew chart, which shows positional information telling us the buy and sell demand for puts and calls. In general, when implied volatility is increasing, it indicates higher demand for buyers of options. In these situations, you will often see the lines curving upwards like a smile. If one side of the line is tilted or slanted down, it may indicate traders are heavily selling options. The final tab is a 10-day stock history for every stock or index, detailing a rolling look back of historic levels and metrics for all the same data as below, giving you a quick way to track changes across the previous 10 trading days. Next is alerts. For stock traders who are active in individual stocks with high options volume, Equity Hub features call and put wall alerts that automatically notify users when a specific stock or index reaches a key level in real time. This highly actionable alert is an integral tool for traders using levels of support and resistance to set up their trade and evaluate what trades may be best for this scenario. Lastly, you have the option to change between dark mode and light mode in your dashboard. All you have to do is go to Preferences and select Dark Mode, Light Mode, or Colorblind Friendly Mode. With the ability to research key levels for over 3,500 stocks and indices, Equity Hub can act as an integral part of your trading strategy, letting you know if options are a major factor in a stock's movement. It can also surface new ideas and allow you to evaluate stock entry points derived from SpotGamma's options analysis. We hope you found this video helpful as you get more comfortable with our scanners, watch lists, graphs, and alerts. We look forward to adding more features and tools as we continue towards our mission of helping all traders be able to see what the professionals see.